No incoming sound for text messages in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So in this case, what you need to do is simply launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down and you will be able to see the option of apps over here. So tap on apps and then select on manage apps. Now tap on the search bar and simply search for messages over here. So let's search for messages over here and let's wait for a few more seconds. And as you do that, the app will pop up at the bottom. So let's tap on it. And what you simply need to do is tap on the option of notifications. So make sure that you have toggle on the option of show notifications. Next, what you need to do is scroll down and tap on incoming messages over here. So let's tap on incoming messages and make sure that you have your show notifications toggled on, your sound as well. And if you do not hear the sound of the particular one, you can change it as well. And as you select the ringtone or the sound of the incoming text messages, you can simply toggle on the vibration as well, and then you'll be able to fix the issue of no incoming sound for text messages in Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.